Hello everyone, my name is Chanchal. I am from Hapur and I have completed B.Tech in 2018 with the stream of Computer Science Engineering from AKTU University, and I had joined 7th June 2020, enrolled here and job internship. All the topics are being tough in orderly manner and doubt are clarified in best possible way. Placement team also has conducted telephonic and Webex interview practice and personal development. It's helped a lot. Everything has hurtful because of all true efforts. I got selected finally in max healthcare within salary package of 2.5 LPA. Thank you Evision for getting me this wonderful opportunity.